Hey guys, it's Tony. Today I wanted to do a review on this FPVtosky, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right, lanyard. This is a lanyard for my DJI RC controller, as you guys can see. And the reason I got this is because I wanted to be able to use my RC controller, but then if I should need my hands free and I don't have anywhere to set this down, that I can just hang it from my neck. And that's where this lanyard really came in handy. So I just got it in the mail the other day. I have not connected it, and I kind of want to take you through how it works and why I like it so much. Now, if you notice right away, one of the things about this particular lanyard is it's got sort of a leather belt part around the neck strap. And this is an upgraded version than what you might see from some other sellers that just have the standard nylon. My guess is that durability will be better with this over the long haul, but of course I just got it and I have no idea what it's going to be like owning it for a long period of time, so we'll just see how it goes. Let's go ahead and get it connected and see what it looks like. It came with these little hooks. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll kind of hold them up to the camera. They've got these little triangular hooks with screws that screw into the back of the controller. So if you look there and there, that's where these little screws go in. Let's go ahead and get those screwed in. And then from that point, it's real easy. So it just kind of screws right in here. And I do not know what size screw this is, but it is a perfect fit. It goes right in, real easy, no issues. And it even has a little washer on here. And my guess is that you just screw it down until it's snug. You don't want to over tighten it. Same thing with this other one. And that little nylon washer, I feel like it locks it in and it keeps it in place. They've got these little hooks. And one thing about this is that it just feels very substantial. It doesn't feel flimsy. It's made out of good material. So that's gonna mean it's gonna perform well in the field. So basically you just hook it on like that, and we'll get the other side. Okay, and as you can see, we'll just hook it on like that. There you go. And it is adjustable. There's an adjustment strap right here. So if I don't want it to hang as low, I can adjust it out and bring it up a little bit on both sides. I can adjust it here on this side. And then now I've got something that can go around my neck, okay, and I can hang my controller from there if I don't want to use it. And then if I do, I just pick it up and it's in my hands. I think it works well. Like I said, a really good design, and so far no complaints. So I hope you found this review to be helpful, and until next time, take care.